You get out in the water, we walk down to the docks, they walk down the ramp and they see their boat sitting there. It's no better feeling. Hey everybody, we're back here again, the showroom here in MarineMax Clearwater. Got Al with me here from the business office. And another question that comes through, I mean, everybody's busy these days, right? So there's a lot going on. And let's say we've got a customer, one of our sales associates has got an established client that's maybe on the road or busy, but they see a boat online that they really like. Can we kind of do that virtually, or do they have to trek in here to the store and go through the process with you right in front of you?
Well, the beauty in this day and age is DocuSign, right? So, it would be very simple for me to send a DocuSign out for a customer to sign off on the documents that we need, so they can close on the boat, they can wire us money from the road. So yeah, and in fact, a lot of our customers may be out of state, right? Michigan,
right.
Up north somewhere, right? Or even out of state, doesn't matter where. we do it all the time. Right. We do it all the time. So that's a pretty simple thing, and we could get it done quick and efficiently. And then, of course, it's ready for them when they come to get with you, Keith, on delivery day.
Right. Mm-hmm. So they might do his virtually, but you still got to come here, see me, and pick up your boat. So that's the best day there is anyway. That's my job, man. I get to deal with people that are picking up a brand new boat, or they're a pre-owned boat that's still new to them, but it never gets old. You get out in the water, we walk down to the docks, they walk down the ramp and they see their boat sitting there. No better feeling. So I love it. I'm a lucky guy, and I want to see you guys out on the water in one of these babies out here.